everybody. So I'm here out driving the Corvette, and today I'm gonna talk about how reliable this car has been. So got 57,000 miles. I changed the oil on this car, running the Mobile 530 full synthetic. I like getting the 64R. It's a little bit bigger, a little bit higher quality. This one was 17 bucks. For the cheaper one, I was paying as little as $6. So I'd rather pay the extra money and get the premium filter. Both of them showed up for my VIN as applicable oil filters, and got me some new tires. So the whole time I've had this car, I had been running the summer only, but decided to switch over to the all seasons. So I think from now on I'll just stick to the all seasons. I really like the performance of the all season tires. So I'm changing out my Corvette tires. So here I got my old ones. So these are the wear bars. We still got a little bit left, so but want to go ahead and change them because I already got my new ones, and I've already replaced the rears, and I really like how they perform. So first time I'm ever doing the all seasons. The whole time I had this car, I had always been running the summer only, and I really liked how the all seasons perform, and mainly when it's raining, when it's cold. Check out this the threads. So way bigger channels for the water to flow. Also they're straight, so I can tell a big difference when it's raining, because I already got them on the rear. Way better traction, so I want to go ahead and change them. We can also see how this one's completely solid, so I know it's better for traction. But I'm just not taking the car out in the mountains. I'm not tracking it, so honestly I don't even need the summer only. These ones are also run flats, so the sidewall is thicker. The inside construction's also different. These tires are also directional. The hardest part, I think, is mounting them, because their run flat sidewall is really thick. I have actually seen somebody tear a tire upon installation. So I think this is the trickiest part, especially on tires with low profiles. Alrighty, got my tires replaced. So yeah, 57,000 miles. This car's been great. The only thing I've had to do this car was a wheel bearing on the left rear. Other than that, everything has been just maintenance. And I used to pay to get my oil changes, but it's been a couple years where I just decided to do all the maintenance myself. So I've done all the fluids, the coolant, the brake fluid, clutch fluid, transmission, differential, replaced the drive belt. It was just getting some cracks, the battery, and like 4 sets of tires. Yeah, it's been a few. This car still performs great. Maybe soon I'll do the spark plugs. I know on the manual it don't call for it yet, but just to be on the safe side. So that's the only other maintenance item that I haven't done yet. So yeah, it's a great car, and I'm still amazed at the fuel mileage that this car can get. So normal V8 mode on the highway, 30 miles to the gallon is not a problem. And if I use eco mode, it'll even do 35 miles to the gallon. That's just amazing for a car with this kind of performance. I took this car on the quarter mile just to see what it could do. I believe I did like a 12.6, so that's just amazing for a car with this kind of performance. So no compromises there on the fuel mileage. and it's just great, you know, for daily driving. When I bought this car, I didn't think about the mileage. I mean, but I really do appreciate that it gets great fuel mileage. I mean, especially since prices have come up. And my favorite part of it all, it's a manual transmission. I think it's a shame that new cars nowadays are just going away with the manual. That's really the only reason why I don't have the C8 Corvette. It's just because they're all automatic. And to me, it just adds to the driving experience, having a manual transmission, going through the gears. So I'll probably be keeping this car forever. I am still on the waiting list for the C8 C06. On my spot, it'll probably be another year maybe, just based on how things are looking. I got an update yesterday about it, so it ain't gonna be a 23 model no more. So maybe I'll get a 24 model, so maybe in about a year. So I'm really excited for that. But I still plan to keep this one just because of the manual. And it's a great daily driver.